JJ. Guys, what's up? We're here. We're here on the delivery trail. Big up all our Waterhouse. Big up. Let me show you see my mouth. Big up the whole of Waterhouse. We're here on the delivery trail. JJ, say hi to the folks here. Guys, JJ buy one bag of something. So we bring come deliver. Are you buy, right? Are you buy, right, JJ? You say I'm mother buy. You say, yo man, where your mother then? Fine panel. Your mother the right is the mother said she don't want to come for the camera, but we don't have no problem with that. So JJ buy whole heap of something and him going to pick up him whole heap of something right now. JJ, you think you can manage them? You don't know. He said probably can manage them. Guys, we're on the delivery train. We're in Kingston, we're in Waterhouse. Big up the whole of Waterhouse. Big up for me, JJ. JJ, big up Waterhouse. He said, me already do it. Yo, them. JJ, come out of video. Come out of video. Go on about your business. JJ said, me already big up Waterhouse. In not face and nothing. Come back here, JJ. Joke me again. Big up all of Waterhouse. We're there. We're there on the delivery trail. There's a link. Click on the link. Join us today. JJ, you like how your package come here, right? You ever see that happen before? You ever see any other company bring package come deliver to your mommy? At the first. You say at the first. So you see, guys, first for everything, right? Alright, Waterhouse people, big up on yourself. But there, find the delivery trail. We'll catch you later, yeah? JJ, tell them bye-bye. I got to deal with that later. I don't know where I go. When me come and take off money from me in a video.